Take charge of your financial education. Start today. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we turn complex investment idea into practical skills. If you want to grow your wealth, there is one thing you cannot ignore: financial education. And today I am going to show you why taking charge of your financial education is the best investment you will ever make. Let's dive in. First thing first, money is not tough in schools, but it runs through every aspect of our lives. Whether you are investing, saving, or just trying to make smarter spending decisions, knowing how money works gives you control. Without this knowledge, you are not making decisions, you are letting others make them for you. Ever felt lost reading loan documents, confused about tax saving plans? That's because no one hands us financial roadmap. But here is the truth: your wealth grows when you take charge of your learning. The cost of ignorance is too high. Let me ask you, have you ever made an investment without fully understanding it, only to regret it later? That's what happens when we rely on half-baked information, whether it from friends, family, or the internet. Ignorance can cost you in missed opportunities and bad decisions. Think, think of it like this: if you are not in a control, someone else is profiting of your lack of knowledge. Alright, let's get a practical. Here are 3 simple steps to start your financial education today. Learn. Start small. Read a book, follow trusted financial blogs, or subscribe to educational YouTube channels like this one. Making learning a habit, even 10 minutes a day compounds over time. Apply. The best way to learn is by doing. Open a saving account. Start with a small investment in mutual funds or stocks, or track your expenses using an app. Real experience sticks. Grow. Financial education is not one and done. Market change, law change, and you will change. Keep upgrading your skill. Join communities, attend workshops, or take online courses to stay ahead. My personal journey and encouragement. When I first started, I did not have all the answer either. But by investing in my education step by step, I gained clarity, and that clarity gave me confidence. If I can do it, you can too. Remember, no one becomes an expert overnight, but every small step counts. Take charge. Start learning today. Now, here is your challenge. Pick one topic, be it budgeting, investing, or a personal finance, and spend 10 minutes today learning about it. That is it. Just 10 minutes to start building the future you want. Comment below and let me know what are you going to explore. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you found this helpful, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Together, let's build the skill that create financial freedom. Remember, the best investment is not in the stock market. It is in you. Remember once again, the best investment is not in the stock market. It's in you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and take charge of your financial future.